So hi everyone, welcome to VIEH Group. Today I'm going to do a very big announcement for the people, those who are planning to start VIEH Group free 30-day program. Yes, we are launching a 30-day free program for the people, those who want to get into cybersecurity, those who are fresher and those who are not getting any help from anyone, those to get into cybersecurity. So we are going to help you out for the next 30 days. So I'm going to tell you about what are things you need to do, what are things which is a pre-requirement, and how to be a part of this 30-day program at VIEH Group. So let's get started. So the first purpose is why this program is required. So basically AI is replacing a lot of things, and there's a very big myth in cybersecurity. The people, those who want to get into cybersecurity, coding is not important, but guys, coding is 100% important. That's why for the first 30 days you're going to learn about codings, how to do coding in cybersecurity and how you can automate a lot of work in cybersecurity, right? This is what is the primary focus of this, and apart from that we are going to cover a lot of things, and entire program is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything. Just we want is the curious people, those who are very much eager to learn about cybersecurity and those who can give their 100%, right? So at first, what we have in the 30 days, so basically the program will be probably starting from 1 to 5 June, between 1 to 5 June it will be starting, and we have announced on all the platform, and this is a video where I want to represent what exactly we have. So it's a 30-day program on which every day you will be having some sort of challenges that you need to solve. There will be some sort of coding related work that you need to work on. Some sort of things will be provided to you, and few improvement need to be done from your side. That is the first thing. Second thing is there will be a couple of challenges which will be taken care by the other people of VIEH Group, the team leaders, the coordinators. They are going to lead couple of programs that is going to enhance your knowledge, right? There will be few guest sessions which will be on, let's say, basics of Linux, basics of networking, cybersecurity beginners sessions, how to get into bug bounty, and there's a lot more things that we have planned that we are going to introduce in between, right? Career guidance is also being provided. I am going to personally take some sort of session where I'm going to tell you how you can improve your career, right? And what are things which is basically required, right? And what are the questions you have to get some sort of jobs. We are going to help you out in that. What is the pre-requirement for the session is you should have basic understanding of what is cybersecurity, and if you have knowledge about basics of Python, that will be well and good, because that is going to help you out for getting the things, right? Who this program is for? This program is for the people, those who are absolute beginners, those who are freshers, and those who wants to get into cybersecurity. So for that specific people, this program is there, and it's not like limited to a specific person. If someone is working in industry, they want to get how exactly the cybersecurity automation works, so we are going to help them out for figuring out all those things, and you are going to work on hands-on things, right, in this program. What are the improvement basically after completion of this program you'll get? You'll get some soft skills with you, you'll get some knowledge about how to do coding in cybersecurity. You get a lot of connection, and you'll get a lot of type of skills which is required in industry after completion of this program, right? And there's few more things that we don't want to reveal it right now. It will be revealed in between the sessions. And before ending up the program, we are also going to get you hired at somewhere. We are going to help you out. What are the openings we have in industry? We can save you some sort of freshers positions, right? And that's what we are going to do. So for cybersecurity, if you want to enhance your thing, three things is always important, as I told you from the starting. First thing, the connection for sure. What are the connections you have? So first we are going to work on entire connection based part. Second is knowledge. First, your skills is 100% important. And third thing is how you're presenting yourself. So this is the entire purpose of this 30-day program. And after completion of this program, you will get a certificate, which will be a certificate of completion, and that is going to help you out for getting some sort of things into the industry, because VIH is very reputed in the industry. So that is going to help you out for showcasing somewhere, and that's what we have for this program. So if you want to join this program, just let me know in comment. We are going to send you a link from where you can join this program. And apart from that, we are planning to take only 30 to 40 students at max. So when I post this video, for the next 24 hours we are going to take only 30 to 40 applications. So it's like first come first serve kind of thing, right? So when you comment it down, you'll get some sort of reply from our team. Just join, and when we get the list done by 30 to 40 people, then we are going to close the part, right? So that's what we have. Let's comment it down. Let's see you there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.